Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making egusi soup. Let's go right into the game. We're making use of tatashi, onions and pepper. Then the mother of the day, egusi. We're making use of some proteins, beef, cow skin, dry fish, stockfish and crayfish. We're making use of them. Then we're making use of our vegetables, uziza leaf and ugu leaf. Uziza leaf is very important in the egusi soup if you know how to run your game. Then we go ahead and blend onions, tatashi and pepper. After that, we'll come back and mix our egusi into a paste. Guys, this place is very important. You need to mix it into a very thick paste for you to get that desired look that everyone desires when you talk about egusi soup. That is that lumpy of egusi, guys. You keep mixing, you mix and mix and mix until you get this thick paste. Look at it, can you see? Very thick. If you are not sure of the quantity of water to use, be putting it little by little so you don't make mistake and pour excess water. Now it's time to go into the cooking game. Place your pot on the fire, allow it to dry up, then you pour a generous amount of red oil, allow it to heat up, then you pour your blended mixture, that is the tatashi, red pepper and onions, and give it a good stir. Then next you go ahead and add stock cubes, season with stock cube, salt, and continue stirring. You stir until it's well fried like this. Can you see the look after it has been well fried? After about 15 minutes, this is the look of the mixture that we've been frying since. You go ahead and add that mixed paste that you got from the egusi. You know it's the egusi that will mix into paste. That is the paste we are adding now. You can see me using a small spoon just to shift the down to make sure that it's not going to burn. I just want it to sit a little bit in the oil so that it will form sort of some kind of lumpy. You can see the way it is now before I start stirring. Stir consistently for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, look at what we got. Look at it. Can you see that it has formed? It's already giving the vibe. It's already giving the vibe. Egusi soup is done. It's done. It's done. Come on. Don't worry. We'll get to that part. You all eat. Get this consistency. You start adding your ingredients. Here I start by adding stockfish. After that, I added my beef and cow skin. That is pomo into the pot. Then I added my dry fish and gave it a good stir. Then the next thing is to add your ground crayfish. Be generous with your crayfish, guys. Be very generous with your crayfish if you want the outcome to be nice. Then I added my salt and 2 stock cubes. After that, I added some water and gave it a good stir. Cover and allow it to boil. Ensure that you open the pot at intervals and give it a good stir so as to prevent the food from burning. Now it's successfully boiling. Now is the time to add our uziza leaf. We are using 2 leaves, ugu and uziza. So I'm adding only the uziza leaf. This is to allow the leaf to boil in the soup and bring out its flavor. When it comes to egusi soup, uziza leaf is a game changer. Try and testify. Here I've actually added more water to the soup because it was very thick, so I added more water to the soup after the uziza. Now the pot is successfully boiling. Can you see? Our egusi soup is ready. Then I go ahead and add my ugu leaf. Guys, you need to perceive the aroma in this kitchen. Guys, it's killing me. I can't wait to eat. What type of salad do you like eating the egusi soup with? Curry, semo, pando, or apple? Just tell me in the comment section, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you vote to this level, it means that this video is actually enjoyable. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you as you subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you so much. You've come to the end of this video. I appreciate your presence here. Thank you for watching. Bye.